Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Today, I'll be sharing a concept for a simple gate lock mechanism. In this video, you'll see how the design works and how you can easily build one yourself using just a few basic tools. You'll find a link to download the 3D model in the description below. Let's take a look at how this gate lock operates, and stick around until the end where I'll break down the components and their dimensions. Now let's go over the main components. All dimensions are approximate, so feel free to adjust them as needed for your own build. That's the concept only. The first part is a 2-inch by 1.25-inch angle, cut to 2 inches in length. It includes a 0.5-inch diameter pin welded on one side. The second part is a 0.25-inch thick insert piece. The next component is a 2-inch by 2-inch angle, also 2 inches long, with a 0.25-inch welded plate featuring a hole for the pin and a machine groove. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video.